In this video, I will reveal the most powerful secret to capture any woman's heart and make her fall completely at your feet. From a young age, we were taught to be sensitive and affectionate, hoping to find the woman of our dreams, if such a being exists. However, the sad reality is that being too nice doesn't always yield the desired results. How many times have we invested all our time and attention in a woman, only to receive cold indifference in return? But allow me to tell you that perhaps, my friend, the biggest mistake isn't in us, but in our strategy. Join me on this journey of discovery, where I will unveil a secret that has always been right in front of your eyes, but that you've never noticed before. Stay until the end because every part of the video is crucial. Get ready to learn something so simple and powerful that it has the potential to make any woman chase you, begging for your love and attention. What you need to do to trigger this transformation in your love life is to stop chasing and start attracting. Women are wonderful and unique beings with their own desires and longings. The key to winning them over isn't desperately seeking their approval, but becoming the magnetic and captivating person they crave. Imagine, for a moment, going back to your school days. Close your eyes and relive those memories of boys being relentlessly pursued by girls. But hold on. I'm not talking about the typical best friends who spent time with girls without sparking any romantic interest. No, instead, I invite you to remember those mysterious and enigmatic boys who defied all expectations. Those who didn't worry about seeking girls' attention, but focused on themselves and cultivating genuine friendships and fit bodies. Do you recall those guys who shone with confidence and security? They were the true attention magnets. Now, ask yourself, who were you in those moments? Were you among those who were eager to please the girls, or did you stand out for your authenticity and dedication to your own personal growth? While you remember this crucial point, please keep in mind, if this video holds value and interest for you, I invite you to subscribe. Look, I once heard a fascinating theory about attraction and how the time and energy we invest in someone can have a surprising effect on love. Imagine this. If you dedicated 90% of your time to trying to please and make a woman happy, wouldn't you think she would respond with an incredible amount of love? Well, let me tell you a secret. That approach doesn't always work as we hope. In fact, the more effort and energy you put into her, the less attracted she'll feel towards you. Curious, isn't it? It turns out that subconsciously, women are wired to pursue those who don't desperately chase them. Strange but true. When a man invests too much energy in a woman, she tends to automatically ignore him. It's as if her interest fades in the face of so much effort. So, what happens when you focus on a single woman and make your whole life revolve around her? Well, contrary to what you might think, you're treading on dangerous ground. You end up appearing needy, and instead of attracting her, you push her away. Why? Because when a woman senses that excessive passion, her instinct drives her to flee as fast as she can. It's intriguing, isn't it? It turns out that the art of attraction is much more subtle and complex than we imagine. So, the next time you find yourself immersed in a woman's charms, remember that the right dose of attention and mystery can be more effective than complete surrender. Don't become a desperate pursuer, but someone who arouses her curiosity and desire to get to know you better. Because, at the end of the day, love and attraction have a language of their own that sometimes defies our deepest expectations. Don't forget to subscribe if you're enjoying the video. Allow me to share an intriguing secret with you that will challenge your beliefs about attraction. It turns out that women crave what they can't have, and that's essentially what piques their interest. In other words, they're looking for a challenge. Now, imagine this. The key to attracting them isn't to chase after them, but to pursue your own goals. The more you focus on improving yourself and the less time you spend chasing women, the more they will start chasing after you. If you observe the most successful men in sports, you'll notice a fascinating pattern: an endless stream of women pursuing them. And do you know what their secret is? Confidence. Yes, a man's level of confidence is directly related to what he achieves in life, and it's precisely this confidence that makes him attractive in the eyes of women. I'm not saying you have to be a millionaire to win over a girl, But let me be honest with you. You can't be a lazy person who spends the whole day doing nothing. The magic lies in finding the balance between pursuing your personal goals and cultivating genuine self-confidence. When you focus on growing as an individual, you become magnetic. Women will be drawn to your determination and your passion for life. By pursuing your goals fervently, you'll emit an aura of mystery and challenge that will capture their interest. Imagine a man who doesn't care about his physical condition, neglects his body, and lacks ambitions to build a prosperous future. Do you think that man could make any woman chase after him? Let me tell you, you're right, that would be quite difficult. Now, let me share with you a secret that will completely change your perspective. No matter what you do in life, what truly matters is that you constantly strive to improve. Here's the key: set goals and strive to achieve stability and success. As a famous quote goes, success is not an accident. The more you work on yourself and your own life, the more women will start chasing you and the more success you'll have in all areas of your existence. Remember that all women instinctively seek what's good for them. So, why not focus on your own development instead of desperately chasing them? Let go of that old idea of pursuing women and instead, make them chase you. Focus on cultivating your personal growth, and you'll see how women appear in your life as a natural consequence. Here's the trick: when you dedicate yourself to becoming the best version of yourself, you become irresistible. Your radiant confidence and determination to reach your goals will act as a magnet for women. It's not just about attracting female companionship, it's about building a fulfilling and satisfying life in all aspects. For making it this far, I'm going to give you a little gift. You're about to discover the 5 proven techniques that actually work. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the tips that will help you capture the interest of any woman. These techniques have been tested and backed by experience. So, get ready to uncover the secrets of seduction. Tip number 1. Let her know she's a distraction. Here's a little secret. Women love not being the center of your universe, but only if the reason they aren't is related to your personal goals. Women find productivity incredibly attractive. So, if you're a busy man, here's a nice way to make a woman chase you. Tell her that she distracts you from your concerns. She won't be able to ignore the fact that you have important things in your life besides her. However, be careful how you express it. Tip number 2. Learn to walk away when necessary. At the end of the day, you must understand that you should never cling too much to a woman. For them, there are 2 types of men in this world: those who always leave and those who could always stay. And it's precisely the latter who truly capture a woman's attention, as they feel the fear of losing you. When emotional attachment is formed, that's when you truly spark her interest. Tip number 3. Dare to disagree. Before you rush to apply this tip, let me clarify that it's not about disagreeing with everything a woman says just for the sake of it. The chances of that working are slim. However, the truth is that if you really want women to chase you, you'll have to do what many men don't dare. Show that you have your own fun, intelligent, and original ideas. This not only makes you infinitely more interesting but also more authentic and unique compared to men who are too nervous to express their real opinions. Tip number 4. Contrast your attention. If you can't hang out with her because you're too busy, make sure the time you spend together is truly valuable. Ask her questions and listen carefully. Avoid constantly checking your phone. In other words, put all your effort into providing incredible moments when you're together. The reason this works is due to the contrast in your attention, shifting from limited attention to full attention. Tip number 5. Use the Midas touch. Here's the key to touching women effectively, and most men have no clue how to do it. This is a big mistake, as knowing how to touch a woman in the right way can be the most important part of getting her excited and attracted to you. Not only do women like being touched properly, but a man who can show restraint through his touch is hard to come by. So, always look for opportunities to make subtle contacts. You can ask for her help in adjusting something on your collar or tell her she has beautiful hands. You can even notice something about her hair and find a way to gently caress it. The key is to gradually build trust. Remember, the right touch can create a deeper physical and emotional connection with a woman. arousing her interest and attraction towards you. We've reached the end of this video. Remember, you can help us by liking, subscribing, and leaving your comments. See you in the next video with more tips and strategies for success in seduction.